Hello and welcome to another video from Let's Drink Tea. Today we're going to learn how to brew Assam black tea. Assam tea is a black tea from India, and I've probably mentioned in a few videos that I generally just eyeball the tea these days. That's why I always use these glass teapots. Then you can just kind of see what the tea looks like, and when it has the color I like, that's enough steeping. But when I get a new tea, sometimes it makes sense to brew it the way you're supposed to brew it as a starting point, and then kind of adjust from there. So for Assam tea, you want 1 teaspoon of tea leaves for about 8 ounces of water. And this teapot here is a 20-ounce teapot. So I've just put, like 2.5 teaspoons into the strainer. That's a good starting point there. This is a new tea. I've never used it before, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out. And the steeping time you use for Assam tea is usually 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and let it steep for 2 minutes, but I can see already that I'm probably not going to need that much time, like not even close. I mean, it's already fairly dark, and I don't want the tea to be completely black. I like having a reddish color. Yeah, I'm actually going to stop it way before the 2-minute mark here on the first steep. And then generally with teas you get from 3 to 5 steepings out of the same leaves. With Assam, it's not as high quality of a tea as some of the others. It's usually on the lower end of that, so 3, maybe 4 steepings. I can tell already that this one, it gets the color I want pretty quickly, so I don't need the 2 minutes at all, at least not on the first steep. I could even use fewer leaves, I think. And then on the second steep, usually it gets darker, and it does so more quickly actually than the first one. So on the second one, it'll probably be even less time. It'll be even a bit darker. I'm just guessing here again. This is the first time I've used this tea, so that might not be the case at all. And then probably on the third time, it would not take on that color very quickly at all. I'm guessing I would steep it for 10, even 15 minutes just to get everything I can out of the leaves. Yeah, so you can see that's the color I like right there. It's kind of a reddish color. This is a fairly light Assam anyways, so I don't think it would get much darker even if I did steep it for 2 minutes. So I think that was plenty of time. And that's it, I close the teapot. It's ready to drink, and like I said, I saved the leaves for the next steeping, and I'm gonna guess I'll get 3 out of this one, maybe 4, but I don't know. I guess we'll find out next time, right? Thank you for watching, as always.